Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are learning how you can easily change the passcode on your Line application using your smartphone. If you're trying to change the passcode on the Line app for better security, here is how you do it. Launch open your Line application and log into your account first. Once you're logged in, from the home page go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu. From here, click on Privacy. On the next page, you'll see the Change Passcode button under Passcode Lock. Tap on it to change your passcode. Now enter a new passcode you want to change to and confirm the new passcode by re-entering it again. And you have successfully changed your passcode online. Now every time you open up your Line application, you'll need to enter the newly updated passcode, and there you go. Make sure to pick a passcode that is easier for you to remember but hard for others to guess. And you have successfully changed your Line account's passcode. Now your chats and personal information are even more secure. Enjoy using Line with extra peace of mind. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.